Question 22. Solve the equation x plus 2 minus 15 over x is equal to 0. To solve this equation, we first multiply both sides of the equation by x, and we get x squared plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. Now the equation is in the form of quadratic equation. For solving quadratic equation, with factoring method, first we multiply the coefficients of x squared, which is 1, with the constant terms, which is negative 15. 1 times negative 15 is equal to negative 15. Then we write down all the factors of negative 15. The factors of negative 15 are 1 times negative 15, negative 1 times 15, 3 times negative 5, negative 5 times 5. Negative 3 times 5. Now we need to find two numbers from these factors that when we add them together, we get the coefficients of x, which is positive 2. These numbers are negative 3 and positive 5. Negative 3 plus 5 is equal to 2. We rewrite the middle term 2x as negative 3x plus 5x, and we get x squared negative 3x plus 5x minus 15 is equal to 0. Group the terms into two pairs, x squared minus 3x and 5x minus 15. Then factor out the greatest common factor from each pair separately. From first pair, we factor out x and we get x times x minus 3. From the second pair, we factor out 5 and we get 5 times x minus 3. Now we can finally factor out x minus 3, and we get x minus 3 times x plus 3 is equal to 0. When we have two factors multiplied together resulting in 0, it implies that each individual factor should be set equal to 0. We have x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 5 is equal to 0. If x minus 3 is equal to 0, it means x is equal to 3. And x plus 5 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 5. So 3 and minus 5 are the roots of this second degree equation.